Yo mga idol, kumusta? Mandrag mga sports tabi nga pala ating pag-usapan. Latest fight ang pagbabalik ni Dunya Nietes laban sa Argentinian boxer. Ginulat ang lahat, ngunit bago ang lahat, huwag mong kalimutang subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para like kang updated sa tinitis upload natin. So matinding pagsagupaan nga sa ating pambato na si Dunya Nietes mga idol. Masasabing ito na nga ba ang nagiging impact sa kanyang nagiging boxing career, na parang kung titignan natin lahat mga idol, na parang makinang gumalaw ang ating pambato na si Dunya Nietes mga idol laban nga sa Argentinian boxer na si Juan Carlos. Unang round pa lamang po, talagang napakitang aura na nga rin ang ating pambato na si Dunya Nietes mga idol, na parang gustong i-counter punch nga ang kanyang kalaban sa Argentinian boxer. Ito na nga ba ang dahilan kung bakit na parang lakas pa rin ito si Dunya Nietes mga idol? Second round, talagang na parang nawalan nga ng stamina ang kalaban sa ating pambato, kung saan lamang na lamang sa stamina ito si Dunya Nietes, at body shot pa rin ang kanyang nagiging target ni Dunya Nietes mga idol, kung bakit nawalan nga ng stamina ang kanyang kalaban. Dito na rin nagulat ang lahat sa ipinikitang laban sa ating pambato. Lamang na nga rin si Dunya Nietes mga idol, maraming counter punch nga ang kanyang nagiging suntok kaysa sa Argentinian boxer. Tignan na lang natin lahat sa naging laban sa ating pambato sa full highlights video kung gaano na nga ba kalakas ito si Dunya Nietes mga idol.
Consistency in this game is definitely underrated. Sometimes we as boxing fans, we get excited, sure, making a lot of noise in the moment, and that's fine. But show me the guy that has success against top.
Over a long period of time, it was 46 consecutive wins with 38 knockouts that lifted Roman Chocolatito Gonzalez to the #1 ranking pound for pound in the world under 2017. But as his experiences with Rizek and Sorem Visai show, there's somebody out there in this overwhelmingly vast and variety.
And he outpunches Juan Carlos Rebecca in just about every round that I've watched so far in this fight.
In terms of give and take, we're looking again.
We don't know how the rest of the fight is going to play out. There's a lot of fight left, but if I had to guess, I think Rebecca is thinking right now that everything I heard about Donnie Nietes is true.
If I had to guess, I think the boos might be louder in round 8 and 9.
I like what, I don't know, I see two guys who are both playing defense.
Right now I'm focusing on the accuracy of Nietes' left hook. Once again, Nietes ducks and slips
Under attack, he stays calm the whole time. And for the young fighters watching, Nietes has done that.
Dito na mga idol, na parang nag-init na dito ang ating pambato na si Dunya Nietes. Kamuntikan na rin na ma-knockdown ang Argentinian boxer kung hindi lang tumunog yung bell.
That's what Rebecca on paper wants to be, but Nietes is comfortable inside. Rebecca is doing the right thing right now. He's going to have to sell out a little bit,
Rebecca, what he's doing, it's not working. It will be time to go to plan B.
which he's been doing this round. He's had some more success.
That Rebecca left hook is one of the best punches he's landed in the fight.
The difficulty with plan B oftentimes is it involves selling out, and it can hasten the fighter that has a sitting duck in front.
Sa round 3 na rin nakuha ni Dunya Nietes at pinabagsak na rin ang kalaban dito mga idol, dahil nawala na rin ng stamina ang Argentinian boxer kung bakit knockout nga ang inabot ang kalaban. Binilang na rin sa referee ang kalaban, surrender ang inabot sa round 3. Panalo na naman ng ating pambato na si Dunya Nietes. Dito na rin nakuha ang panalo by knockout round 3. Talagang lakas pa rin ng ating pambato at wala pa rin pinagbago. Dito na rin nagtapos ang ating video. Anong masasabi ninyo mga idol tungkol sa laban?